Welcome to Qt Office ERP, which helps to streamline the entire company operations starting from human resource, time attendance, leave, payroll, procurement and inventory, sales and customer relationship, including accounting. Open the Qt Office app, enter your user ID and password. Make sure for the first time the configuration of the server URL is set correctly so that you can actually log in successfully. Upon successful login, the modules of the software are shown. Click on the time attendance and it shows all the attendance details. Users clock in, clock out, details. Based on the shifts, the normal hours, overtime, OT2, so all those calculations are done automatically, and also we can select appropriate project. The users can also apply for the leave, and when we apply for the leave, that get routed to the supervisors and they can approve them online. There are different types of leaves such as annual leave, sick leave, parental leave, and all the possible leaves which are supported by the government are all listed over here, and it can be managed in the system. In the material module, users can request for material through the system, and it gets routed to the supervisors and managers and they can approve it. Later it will get converted into purchase order by the purchaser. The inquiries that are received for a company can be registered in the system, and quotations can be created and approved and sent to the customers. Various templates can be used for the quotations. The dashboard will show the basic details to the users, and also all the actions required by the individual users are also shown in the dashboard so that the action can be taken on time. For complete detailed description of the system, please refer the user manuals. Thank you for using Qt Office.